So hello everybody and welcome to our today's live session here at the IDSA Virtual Expo. My name is Natalia Simon and I'm working for the IDSA in some research projects we are involved in, such as for instance MIDIH, that will be presented today. MIDIH stands for Manufacturing Industry Digital Innovation Hubs and is aiming to support small and medium-sized enterprises from the manufacturing industry in the digital transformation. And in the next hour, we will be introduced to the aim of this workshop by the project lead, Susanne Kührer. Then Jesus Benedicto will explain data-driven architectures for the manufacturing industry. Afterwards, Sebastian Steinbus from the IDSA will present industrial pilot experiments where data sovereignty services has been already implemented. Then we will explain data sovereignty challenges in manufacturing DIHs, and we will finish with a question and answer round guided by Sergio Gusmeroli from the Politecnico di Milano. I welcome you, and I would just please you to switch off your microphone and also switch off your camera. And yeah, welcome, and let's have an introduction with Susanne Kührer. Thank you.
Next slide, please. Okay, hello, my name is Susanne Kührer. Good afternoon. I am the coordinator of the MIDIH project, as Natalia already said, Manufacturing Industry Digital Innovation Hubs. Next slide, please. So MIDIH is in the context of the European manufacturing industry, in particular with Industry 4.0, which is the manufacturing, which is the voice of the manufacturing. And as you might know, all European countries, but not only them, have an Industry 4.0 strategy plan. Next slide, please. MIDIH is contributing to the digitizing European industries by contributing to open digital platforms for supporting here the digital transformation in manufacturing, and it is clearly also supporting the DIH, the creation of networks, and DIH supporting the SMEs. Next slide, please. So the MIDIH innovation ecosystem is composed of 21 partners. You have here 9 competence centers, 2 teaching factories, 2 regional manufacturing digital innovation hubs. You have 3 pan-European hubs. We have 3 industrial case study providers in the steel, in the tools manufacturing, and in the automotive industry. And we have 2 open source platform providers and 2 IoT specialized SMEs. Next slide. Yes, these are the logos of all the partners. Next, please. So as I said, MIDIH is contributing to the 4 pillars of the digitizing European industry implementation. Next. Next. To the partnership and platforms. So we are contributing here by having developed an open source platform, a reference architecture, and a reference implementation. Next, please. Then we are contributing to digital innovation hubs. It's our main part here, also with the DIH services and with the creation of a innovation and collaboration platform for supporting here the networking between the different DIHs. Next, please. Then we are supporting the skills and jobs with having developed a methodology for the digital transformation of the SMEs, the XP migration methodology. And then we are contributing to the 4th pillar, which is the digital innovation hub strategy and the data-driven services, which is the main focus of this webinar today. Next, please. So we have 3 presentations. We have the MIDIH data-driven reference architecture for the manufacturing industry, which will be presented by Atos, the industrial pilots and implementation data sovereignty scenarios, which will be presented by our valuable partner IDS, and then we will, which is hosting us now in the IDS Fair, and then we will have the data sovereignty challenges faced in the manufacturing digital innovation hubs, and this will be a presentation by 2 of our DIHs, the IMR and the IML. Thank you. And I will hand over to Jesus.